Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by forcing Valorant to stop so it can restart cleanly. Open Task Manager with Control plus Shift plus ESC, find Valorant, Riot Client Services, and Vanguard, then end each task. This removes hung threads. Once done, make sure overlays and background apps like Discord or Steam are closed because they can hold locks. You also want to run as administrator. Right-click the launcher. Choose Run as Administrator to give it permissions. It may need to recover from a not responding state. Next, repair the game files and check the anti-cheat service because corrupted files or a stopped service often cause freezes. Open the Riot launcher, tap the settings gear and choose Repair. It rechecks files and replaces missing items. Meanwhile, press Win plus R, Run Services. MSC and confirm Riot Vanguard or VGK is running. If it is stopped, start it or reinstall Vanguard. You can also run an elevated command, prompt, and use SC start VGK to bring it up. These steps fix integrity and service issues. Finish by rebooting Windows so drivers and locked resources are cleared. A full restart often resolves residual hangs. After reboot, launch the Riot installer. If problems persist, uninstall both Valorant and Vanguard, then reinstall. This replaces corrupted program files and service registrations. If you still see not responding, check the Riot and Vanguard logs in program data for timestamps and error messages. Use those details when contacting support. One key troubleshooting tip: run a clean boot to isolate third-party conflicts before reinstalling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.